Okay, in the online math class, you're going to encounter some questions like these throughout quizzes and tests, and especially the test part two. They're all essay questions like this. I call them teacher graded questions because these are the questions that I'm going to have to grade. So it's sometimes when you do math and you do all your work on a piece of paper and then you um, need to put it in here, sometimes that's a little difficult and cumbersome to have to type all of my work into this thing. So what I'm going to show you how to do is how to upload a video, or not a video, a picture, and so that you can just put your work in there and I can see it. And that way I can give you partial credit, because if you just put an answer in here and there is nothing for me to go on, I can't give you partial credit. I got to give you a 0. And as you can see, these are out of 10 points. That's a lot of points. Okay. So what you need to do is work the problem on a piece of paper. Take a picture of it and email it to yourself. Okay. Once you get it emailed to yourself, this is, I just went to my email and clicked on my picture for work. This is just an example. This doesn't answer that question. So I'm just showing you how to upload it here. So as you can see in here, real quick, if I was to work this problem out and then have to retype it back into this box up here, that would be a complete nightmare. Okay, complete nightmare. So what I'm going to do is you click on it, I'm going to save it, and I'm going to make sure you name it. I'm going to save it on my desktop. You click over here to get on the desktop, okay? And then I'm going to name it, since this is chapter 6, and it's actually number 1, okay? So I'm going to save it. Okay, now that I've saved it, we'll go ahead and move this off of here. And once you're here, you can go up here and you can click on your account and then click on files. And it's going to bring you a place where you can upload files or pictures to Canvas. Okay, so I hit the upload button and now I got to remember where I put it. Okay, so it's on the desktop and I named it Chapter 1, number 1 right here. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it and click open, and it will upload it right here to this. And if you go down here and look, you'll see, let's see, chapter 6, number 1 right here. Okay. So it's right there. So now you go back to your question. You click on this little embed image, click Canvas, click My Files, and you find that chapter 6, number 1, okay, right here. I click on it. Now, you don't want to click on this, because if you click on this, it's going to bring up this, and you're not wanting that. So once you click here on it, you go down here and click Update. And as you can see, it updated that picture in here, and that is so much easier than having to type all of this information out. And if you want, you could still get in here and type if needed to explain a little bit more in there. Okay, one last thing then. Once you've uploaded it, what you want to do is go back to your desktop, click off of everything, go to your desktop, and delete your picture off the desktop. And that is how you upload a picture into your question, so you don't have to type the work.